Hey guys, welcome to Car City Inc. Here's another beautiful new arrival at our store. This is 2011 Ford Taurus, limited, 109,000 miles. Beautiful looking four-door sedan in a great shape. Body looks super nice and clean. Nice color combination, silver exterior over black leather interior. One owner since new. It's got clean CARFAX report, no accidents. Parking sensors, front and rear bumpers. Alloy wheels, beautiful tires, very nice and clean looking body in a great shape. It's been detailed and inspected. There is a front row ready unit, fresh oil in it, well kept, well maintained. It runs and drives great. V6 has got 3.5 liter engine under the hood. Let's take a peek inside. It is fully loaded inside. We have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. A beautiful factory wood trim, leather interior in a great shape, nice and clean, non-smoking, no odors inside. Bluetooth, it's got pre-collision assistance, it's got blind spot assistance, it's got lane keep assistance, so it is fully loaded. We have 109,000 miles on the dash, no warning lights on. Beautiful, nice and clean dashboard, no issues, no problems. We have rear view camera, AM, FM, CD, aux, USB, push to start engine button, automatic transmission. We have front heated and cooled seats, and the back seats are heated as well. Clean headliner, non-smoking, no odors. Back seat, nice and clean as well. As I said, rear rear seats are heated as well. So if you guys have any questions or would like to schedule time to test drive this beautiful 2011 Ford Taurus with 109,000 miles, one owner since new, please give us a call. We are Car City Inc. out of Palatine, Illinois. Our phone number to call 847-496-4250. Check our website carcitychicago.com for more information, pictures, video, and a free CARFAX report. Let's go ahead and pop the hood so we can take a peek under the hood. Look at this beautiful chrome wheels, nice and clean, free of scuffs. Very nice tires in a great shape as well. And let's take a peek under the hood here. Here you go. Nice and clean under the hood, detailed, inspected, front row ready, fresh oil in it, 3.5 liter engine. Super nice and clean inside, super nice and clean on the exterior as well. One owner, clean CARFAX, well kept, well maintained, front row ready. Super nice and clean 2011 Ford Taurus. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call, 847-496-4250. Check our website, carcitychicago.com for more information, pictures, video, and a free CARFAX report. Please stop by and visit our store. We're located at 2232 North Rand Road in Palatine, Illinois, and we are Car City Inc. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys have a beautiful day.